Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. We continue to review Homtom HT70, and today I want to talk about camera of this phone. I know that you are waiting for battery test, because this phone comes with 10,000 mAh battery capacity, and the next video will be about battery life and charging time of Homtom HT70. You can find the links to this video in the description. Camera is another important thing of modern phones. Homtom HT70 has dual rear camera with 13 megapixel main sensor interpolated to 16 megapixels and 2 megapixel secondary sensor interpolated to 5 megapixels. Also, there is 8 megapixel front camera with interpolation to 13 megapixels. To be honest, second sensor looks fake, while interpolation doesn't inspire trust. Later, we will look at the real sample photos, but now camera app. Homtom HT70 has standard camera app from Mediatek. There is shutter button and video recording at the bottom of the screen and different modes at the top. The settings menu provides some options such as GPS location, face beauty, white balance, exposure and others. Also, you can choose photo and video resolution. So, there is nothing special, and the camera app is standard for all Mediatek phones. In general, the photos in daylight conditions are quite good. They are detailed, bright and have natural colors. However, I have sunny weather and some images are overexposed. Perhaps you will need a little more time to make really good photos. I mean, you should choose the best settings and then post-processing images with different apps. Also, I am satisfied with photos indoors. The focus takes a little more time than outdoors, but the image quality is almost the same as in daylight. As for the night photos, the situation is not so good. Most images are grainy and the photos with street lights are overexposed. I don't want to say that images at night are terrible, because Homtom HT70 doesn't differ from other budget phones. All of them take similar images in poor lighting condition. If you post-processing photos, you can receive some good images. Homtom HT70 doesn't have image stabilization, however video recording is quite smooth. The phone records video in Full HD resolution. In general, the video quality is good, the image is bright and colorful, however, I think there is a lack of details. It seems that video is unfocused, but I touch the screen when start recording. As for the night videos, it is hard to see something. It is very dark and you should find a place with good lighting. However, I cannot say it is overexposed or grainy. So what can I say about Homtom HT70 camera? I didn't expect high image quality from a budget phone. Its main feature is a big battery, not camera. However, the phone can take good photos in daylight conditions. Also, you can use this phone at night, the images are quite good. But it will take a little more time than on flagship phones, because you need to stay focused and make some settings before taking photo. Thanks for watching. In the description you can find link to original photos and videos. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.